And again, that'll bring attention to the adjuster. Hey, this is why, this is how we justify a high grade impact shingle or whatever the item might be. And the next thing is going to be making sure we put notes in our estimate. So for instance, on this estimate that Chris has pulled up here, we're going to call them F9 notes, right? So we have notes under our line 2 that he just highlighted. If it's a code requirement, if it's something that they've missed, if it's a manufacturer requirement, any of those requirements by the municipality or the manufacturer, we're going to want to put those line items in there. And again, that'll bring attention to the adjuster. Hey, this is why, this is how we justify a high grade impact shingle or whatever the item might be. So making sure we have good notes in there, and again, makes it easier to get it paid and get it reviewed.
Right.
Yeah, and one of the things I'll notice too is I see also you put a little bit in here for waste. Obviously, if this is 38 squares, you know the new one that you're putting on is about 41, just to cover a little bit of waste material. Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. And obviously, there's going to be nuances if it's a hip roof or gable roof, all sorts of fun things like that. And if you say, hey, this has a lot of valleys or it's got a lot of hips on it, make a note in there. Hey, this is a complex roof. It's got multiple hip areas and 100 linear feet of valley. Any of those little notes you can put in there is going to make it easier for them for sure.
Yeah.
That's great.
And so when we talk about our presentation as public insurance adjusters to the insurance company, legitimate and reasonable, that's what comes through our mind. What is legitimate and reasonable for this project, this reconstruction, whatever it might be, if it's a roof, interior, any of the above, all of the above. The question comes down to, is what's on the estimate reasonable and is what's on the estimate legitimate? And the F9 notes allows you to legitimize why you're saying, hey, this is required or this is needed and this is what should be done because of F9 notes. So awesome.